Get ready for massive savings. In today's video, we're diving into 20 early Amazon exterior accessories deals for Black Friday, with discounts up to 60% off. From rare and trending gadgets to must-have outdoor upgrades, these deals are your chance to save big and level up your lifestyle before the big sale rush hits. Act fast, these offers won't last long. Number 1. Trailer Hitch Adjustable 2-inch dual balls, 21,500 pounds. Hauling heavy loads has never been easier with the Trailer Hitch Adjustable 2-inch dual balls, rated for an impressive 21,500 pounds. Its adjustable dual ball design allows you to tow multiple trailer sizes effortlessly, while the solid steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. Simple installation fits most standard tow receivers, and the polished finish resists rust while giving your vehicle a sleek look. This is the perfect early Black Friday upgrade for towing peace of mind. Number 2. Openroad 12,000 pounds winch with rope and remotes. The Openroad 12,000 pounds winch is essential for off-road adventures, offering reliable recovery in tricky situations. Equipped with a strong synthetic rope and dual remote controls, it handles heavy-duty towing with ease. Weather-resistant construction ensures it withstands rain, mud, and snow, while included mounting hardware makes installation quick. Perfect for trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps, this early Black Friday deal lets you tackle off-road challenges confidently and safely. Number 3. Astroai 47.2-inch Ice Scraper Snow Brush. The Astroai 47-inch Ice Scraper Snow Brush makes winter mornings effortless. Its long reach clears windshields and rooftops without straining your arms, while durable bristles sweep away snow and the ice scraper edge tackles frozen patches. The ergonomic handle offers comfort, and the lightweight design ensures easy use and portability. Perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs, this must-have winter accessory ensures you're ready for icy conditions while saving big during early Black Friday deals. Number 4. Yzona Jeep Wrangler Tow Hitch. 2-inch designed specifically for Jeep Wranglers, the Yzona 2-inch tow hitch offers stability and strength for towing trailers of various sizes. Its rugged steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, and the pre-drilled design makes installation quick and simple. The black powder-coated finish protects against rust and corrosion, adding a sleek touch to your Jeep's rear. With early Black Friday pricing, this hitch provides an affordable upgrade that improves both safety and functionality for off-road enthusiasts. Number 5. Tiretek Pickup Truck Bed Cargo Net 4 feet by 6 feet. The Tiretek Pickup Truck Bed Cargo Net keeps your gear secure during transport, measuring 4 feet by 6 feet to hold large loads. Its elastic mesh stretches for versatility, and reinforced corners provide extra strength for heavy-duty use. Installation is simple. Just attach it to your truck bed anchors. Ideal for camping trips, grocery runs, or sports gear hauling, this cargo net improves safety and convenience, making it a top early Black Friday deal for organized truck bed storage. Number 6. Midabao 20 cubic feet waterproof rooftop carrier. The Midabao 20 cubic feet rooftop carrier is perfect for travelers needing extra storage space. Fully waterproof, it protects luggage, camping gear, and sporting equipment from rain, snow, and dust. Its aerodynamic, low-profile design reduces wind resistance and noise while keeping your ride efficient. Installation is simple with adjustable straps compatible with most roof racks. This early Black Friday deal is a smart way to expand storage capacity and protect your belongings on every adventure. Number 7. Sharing Rhinestone License Plate Frame 2-piece Set. Add some sparkle to your vehicle with the Sharing Rhinestone License Plate Frame 2-piece set. High-quality rhinestones create a polished, eye-catching look, while durable materials resist weather and rust for long-lasting shine. Designed to fit most standard plates, installation is quick and simple with included screws. Perfect as a gift or a personal upgrade, this stylish frame is a fun and affordable early Black Friday deal that instantly enhances your car's exterior appearance. Number 8. Yzona running boards for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. Yzona running boards provide safe, easy entry for lifted Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks while adding rugged style. Constructed from high-strength steel with anti-slip steps, they combine durability and functionality. Installation is straightforward with no vehicle modifications required, and the black powder-coated finish prevents rust while maintaining a sleek look. Ideal for daily use or off-road adventures, these running boards are an excellent early Black Friday upgrade for improving both safety and style. Number 9. Autosaver 88 Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Autosaver 88 Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover protects your cargo from weather and theft while adding a clean, Aerodynamic design. Its trifold functionality allows easy access to your truck bed, and the durable, weather-resistant material shields your gear from rain, snow, and UV rays. No drill installation fits most truck beds snugly. This early Black Friday deal is perfect for truck owners seeking convenience, style, and protection, all while improving fuel efficiency. Number 10. Lasfit Tundra 5.5-foot all-weather bed mat. Protect your truck bed with the Lasfit Tundra 5.5-foot all-weather bed mat. Made from heavy-duty, non-slip material, it prevents scratches, dents, and cargo movement during transport. Its easy installation and all-weather design make it ideal for trucks used in work, daily hauling, or outdoor adventures. Resistant to snow, rain, mud, and dust, this mat keeps your truck bed clean and protected. Early Black Friday pricing makes it a smart investment for lasting bed protection. Number 11. iCarCover Ford Mustang 1964 to 1968. Car cover. Protect your classic Mustang with the iCarCover, designed specifically for Ford models from 1964 to 1968. Its durable, weather-resistant material shields your car from rain, dust, UV rays, and scratches, keeping your prized vehicle in pristine condition. Lightweight yet strong, it's easy to put on and remove, offering both convenience and long-lasting protection. This early Black Friday deal is a must-have for vintage car enthusiasts who want to safeguard their investment in style. Number 12. 3W Ford F150 5.5-foot all-weather bed mat. The 3W 5.5-foot all-weather bed mat is perfect for Ford F150 owners looking to protect their truck bed from wear and tear. Made from durable, non-slip materials, it prevents scratches, dents, and cargo movement during transport. Its all-weather design handles snow, rain, mud, and debris effortlessly, and installation is quick and easy. Grab this early Black Friday deal to keep your truck bed clean, safe, and ready for any adventure. Number 13. Truck Cover 6-Layer Pickup Ford Chevy GMC. This 6-layer pickup truck cover is built for Ford, Chevy, and GMC trucks, offering ultimate protection against the elements. Each layer adds strength, durability, and resistance to rain, UV rays, dust, and snow, keeping your truck looking like new. Lightweight yet tough, it's easy to install and remove without hassle. Early Black Friday pricing makes this cover a smart investment for truck owners who want maximum protection, long-lasting performance, and peace of mind all year round. Number 14. Ohyama 12-gallon truck bed. Toolbox bins, 4-piece set. Organize your truck bed efficiently with the Ohyama 12-gallon toolbox bins 4-piece set. Each bin is spacious, durable, and designed to hold tools, equipment, or gear securely. The rugged construction withstands heavy loads, and the stackable design makes storage simple and practical. Perfect for contractors, outdoorsmen, or weekend warriors, these bins keep everything in place during transport. With early Black Friday savings, this set is a practical and affordable solution for truck bed organization. Number 15. FBJTDQ Carbon Fiber License Plate Frames 2-piece set. Upgrade your car's style with the FBJTDQ Carbon Fiber License Plate Frames 2-piece set. These frames feature a sleek carbon fiber finish that resists weather, rust, and fading, providing a modern, sporty look. Designed to fit most standard plates, installation is quick and hassle-free. Durable, stylish, and functional, these frames enhance your car's appearance while protecting the plate edges. Take advantage of this early Black Friday deal to add a subtle yet high-impact upgrade to your vehicle. Number 16. Gintenco Windshield Snow Cover. Magnetic. Make winter mornings easier with the Gintenco Magnetic Windshield Snow Cover. Its strong magnets hold the cover in place, preventing snow and ice from building up on your windshield overnight. Easy to install and remove, it saves time scraping ice and protects your glass from scratches. Compact and portable, it's perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs alike. Early Black Friday savings make this an essential winter accessory for anyone looking to streamline cold weather car prep. Number 17. Retrue Trailer Hitch. Lock 5/8-inch pin. Keep your trailer secure with the Retrue Trailer Hitch Lock, featuring a 5/8-inch pin for a snug, reliable fit. Designed to prevent theft, this lock is built from tough, weather-resistant materials that withstand corrosion and tampering. Installation is fast and simple, giving you peace of mind whether you're towing a trailer, camper, or utility equipment. Early Black Friday pricing makes this lock an affordable, must-have accessory for truck and trailer owners looking to secure their investment. Number 18. Axsipeix Kinetic Recovery Rope, 1 inch by 30 feet. The Axsipeix Kinetic Recovery Rope is perfect for off-road adventures and vehicle recovery. Measuring 1 inch in diameter and 30 feet long, it provides strong elastic towing power for trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps stuck in mud, sand, or snow. Durable materials resist wear and tear, while the rope's stretch absorbs shock, ensuring safe and efficient recovery. Early Black Friday deals make this high-quality rope an essential tool for off-road enthusiasts. Number 19. Orcish Tri-Ball Hitch Mount Chrome, 1.875 to 2.312 inches. Upgrade your towing setup with the Orcish Tri-Ball Hitch Mount, featuring a chrome finish and 3 versatile ball sizes ranging from 1.875 to 2.312 inches. Its rugged steel construction ensures durability, and the adjustable design allows towing different trailers with ease. Installation is quick and secure, making it ideal for trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles. This early Black Friday deal is perfect for anyone looking to tow safely and efficiently. Number 20. Yunfuer Kinetic Recovery Rope, 1 inch by 30 feet. The Yunfuer Kinetic Recovery Rope is a must-have for off-roaders needing safe and reliable recovery tools. At 1 inch thick and 30 feet long, it stretches to absorb shock while pulling vehicles from mud, sand, or snow. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, and the rope's flexibility makes it easy to use in any recovery scenario. Take advantage of this early Black Friday deal to add a high-quality, essential tool to your off-road kit. That's a wrap on our 20 early Amazon exterior accessories deals for Black Friday 2025. Don't wait, these trending and heavily discounted items won't last long. Grab your favorites now and upgrade your vehicle before the big sale hits.